Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by narrowing exactly what you want. List 3-5 keywords, synonyms, and related phrases. Use Boolean and/or not to combine them. This reduces noise and surfaces relevant results. Once done, pick 1 or 2 databases that best match your field: PubMed for life sciences, Web of Science, or Scopus for broad coverage. Make sure to note key authors and journals now, because those names speed deeper searching in the next step. Next, tighten your results. Filter for peer-reviewed journals, set an appropriate date range, and select article types like empirical studies or reviews. Use advanced search fields to restrict to title or abstract when precision matters, and include author or DOI when you have specifics. Once you find a good paper, follow its references backward and use citation tracking to find newer work that cites it. This citation chaining fills gaps and reveals the conversation around your topic. Finally, secure the full text. Use your institution's subscriptions, toggle open access filters, or search for author-posted PDFs on repositories. Export accurate citations and PDFs into a citation manager and tag them by topic so you can retrieve them quickly. If a paper is paywalled, request it via interlibrary loan or email the author politely. Troubleshooting tip: if searches return too many irrelevant hits, simplify keywords and add one precise author name or phrase to regain focus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.